Hi you, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're doing great. Today we are talking about a thing called shadowing. Shadowing. But what's that? The shadowing technique is basically repeating what someone is saying. You can also call it imitation if you like. It helps us understand, it helps us train our listening and our speaking skills. With this technique, we can notice, we can feel intonation, rhythm, sounds, the linking sound, especially connected speech. Plus, practicing shadowing builds our confidence and we can feel more comfortable with the language. And by the way, you can use it with any language, German, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, you name it. So if you're ready to explore this amazing technique, so let's get started now. Okay, let's do it. We have 4 steps to get it done. Okay, step number 1, you will listen to a short dialogue once, just once, right? So pay close attention to it. Are you ready? Go.
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there?
How very obtuse.
What?
It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
Okay, how did it go? Easy? Difficult? Okay, now listen again, but now with English captions, right? Ready? Go.
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there?
How very obtuse.
What?
It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
So, and now, do you understand better? Okay, let's move on to step number 2. Now, you will have the meaning in Portuguese for the whole dialogue. Ready? Go.
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there?
How very obtuse.
What?
It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
Okay, now you know the meaning of the whole dialogue. Now we can move on to step 3. Here on step 3, you listen each sentence of the dialogue twice. Then you pause, then you repeat out loud. Let me show you how. You listen to a sentence, for example,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
then you pause it and you repeat it out loud twice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay? And then you do it with each sentence of the dialogue. Go.
Hey,
Hello.
hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Who are you? Who are you? Nobody? Nobody? I'm Ava. I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody. Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there? Here and there?
How very obtuse. How very obtuse.
What? What?
It means you're a mystery. It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying? Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house? Wait, is this your house?
Listen, people may say to you that you are just repeating sentences like a parrot, but with more repetition, with more practice, you won't just be repeating them anymore. You'll be saying them in a more natural way, feeling the intonation, feeling the rhythm, the linking sound, and especially the connected speech. The sentences, vocabulary, patterns, and native pronunciation will become part of your English speaking style. It won't be robotic anymore. It will feel natural to you. Give it a try. After you have practiced step 3 several times, not just one, not twice, several times, now you're ready for step number 4. Now you will shadow the dialogue. You will repeat the sentences along with the characters in real time. It might be a little difficult at first. Take your time and try again. Let me show you how. Hello. Nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody. Where are you from? If a nobody. Here and there. How very obtuse. What? It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery. Where are you staying? Wait, is this your house? Way to go! Bravo! Now you can practice more English using this shadowing technique and achieve excellent results in your English speaking. So, if it's a little difficult at first, don't give up. Try again, you'll get there. Shadowing is fun, so have fun with it. But before I go, let me invite you to be part of our family. You see that button here down here? Subscribe, smash it, and be part of our family. Join us. And if you like this video, give us a like, and very importantly, leave a comment. It's always good to have comments coming from you guys, and I love to reply all of them, all right? See you in the next one. Bye.
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there.
How very obtuse.
What? It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there.
How very obtuse.
What? It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
Hey,
Hello.
nice to meet you. Who are you? Nobody? I'm Ava.
Where are you from, Ava? Nobody.
Here and there.
How very obtuse.
What? It means you're a mystery. Come on, she's a mystery.
Where are you staying?
Wait, is this your house?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.